All right, ladies and gentlemen, today you're going to be working on some easy graphing to try and get some points right before break. Now, if you'd like to, you can spend some more time on it over break, but it's not required. So you can turn it in at the end of the day, and whatever you have completed, that's what you're going to get your points on. Your requirement is to the best of your ability, to complete one side. If you'd like to do both sides, either in class if you're super quick, or over break, that is totally up to you. Again, you can color it if you'd like as well, but it's not required. All right, so Cartesian Cartoons, just a fancy way of saying that we're going to be plotting points on a Cartesian coordinate plane, very similar to when we did the snowman graphing previously. So everybody should have a pencil, a straight edge, the paper with the coordinate planes, both sides, because again, if you want to do both. And then we are looking at the Wall Street Wonder first. So if you notice, these instructions are actually a little bit better than what I had for the snowman. It clearly tells you when the line will be ending. Right here it says line ends. So essentially this is going to give you like one shape. This is going to give you another shape, but it would like you to, at the very bottom, shade those pieces there. So it's going to give you like one shape, and you can darken it in, so it might be like an eye or something like that. And then again, you have a bunch of other little shapes. So what we're going to do again is just practicing a few together. Then we will check it off or lightly cross it off when we have completed it. All right, so the first one says -10, +14. So your coordinate plane actually has more numbers than mine does, but still the same strategy. Start at the center. Your coordinate plane has them clearly labeled, so you're going to go to -10, and then it says +14. So you're going to go up 14 boxes, or if you'd like to, you can try and see where the -10 and 14 are going to meet. So I'm just going up, and I'm looking over, and yeah, I'm going to stop right there. Back here, again, I have completed that first one. And then the next one again is -10, +15. So I know that the x is the same, the y is now 15. So at least if they're close enough, you can just go ahead and put them together. But again, if there's any distance, we want to go ahead and use our straight edge to actually connect them. So we're going to go ahead and check that off. Now the next one I'm unable to do because my coordinate plane does not go all the way up to 18, but yours should. But again, let's just simulate it. So -8. So I go left 8, and then I'm going to go up 18, which is past 15, 16, 17, 18. So yours should be up here a little bit. And then you're going to connect that again with your straight edge, please. And then you just continue on. Once you have done that, check it off. And you're going to notice that some of the points are actually somewhat close to each other. So that should actually make the counting a little bit easier. If they share the same x value, going to the next one. So for example, -3, 17, if you plot that one, this one is going to be -3, 16. So it's just going to be one space down compared to this previous one. And then again, once you have completed all of these, the line will end, which means you are completed with your first shape. Then you come over here. Now this one, actually it might be connected to what you go down further because I don't have the full copy in front of me. But again, like this one here, it's just really small. Really small. So this one is not all sequential. So if you'd like to, you can again kind of think about it as part 1, part 2, part 3. So you can just kind of skip around. You just need to make sure that you're keeping track of what you are checking off. So again, this one is called Wall Street Wonder. Those of us who are going to our East Coast trip, that may make some sense for you. And then the other one on the back, if you have extra time again, you would complete that one just like you're doing here. So again, you're plotting points, connecting them. Please make sure you are checking them off. Again, if you're a little unsure if you're doing it correctly or not, check with your partner and go from there. All right, so again, due by the end of class, unless you would like to do more of it and maybe even possibly color it, then it will be due after spring break, Monday, April 1st. All right, be awesome.